Hello, I'm Chris with Sentinel Security Solutions. Today we're going to be going over the IQ panel, Qolsys, and going over how to replace the batteries in your motion detector. After you locate your motion detector, it'll be mounted to the wall. You just got to come up to it, and on the bottom you got to gently squeeze and pull the bottom away, and it will pop the cover off. Once the cover's off, it tends to help if you have a little screwdriver or something, but basically you just got to pull out your battery and replace it with a CR123A lithium battery. Popping in, making sure that the positive and the batteries match up in the right direction. Hook your cover back on the top, and your battery is replaced. You will have a tamper here which will go away after the battery is replaced and the cover is back on. You can go to your alert and alarms, acknowledge it, and your panel will be back to where it was before.